Okay, class, let's do a group discussion on something that happened very recently. We all know that Mukesh Ambani's son Anant Ambani is going to get married with Radhika Merchant. So we saw the pre-wedding festivities are going on. So here we saw that Anant Ambani is getting trolled brutally for being overweight. But how unfortunate is it that people can't see that he was more fat, or to be more polite, big boned during the engagement ceremony. But right now he has lost many kgs. But people are trolling him brutally. What would you say on this? This is absolute body shaming, and we should not do this with anybody. Let's talk. Let me straight away go to Pralay.
So nowadays people are more getting addicted to sadism. That is taking happiness from getting down others' dignities. So that's the thing. Not only this scenario, there are several examples nowadays happening that points out that is we are getting lose our emotional aspects. We are getting more practical basis, and we are losing our empathy. So we should not do that with the people, because we have to appreciate each and every small increment in anything else, because appreciation ultimately makes people to achieve bigger things. So in this case, I would like to say that though the groom is fat or big bone nowadays, but in future he will be slim. He can be, because he is trying, and that's the big thing, because he is not standing still. He is still trying, and we should appreciate that thing. And trolling and criticism nowadays is very common, and we should not think about those things, because if we focus on people's opinion, if we focus on the opinion of the people, then it will not only restrict our activities, but also that will also demotivate us, and we will not be able to achieve what we are getting to achieve, because we will then be controlled by their opinion, and that is not good. So I would like to say we should follow our own path, and we should take the criticism as our power, as appreciation that they are discussing about myself. That is, I am not with them, but they are discussing behind me, because they don't have the courage to discuss in front of me. So we should take those things and appreciate us getting more power, improve us without thinking anything else, because people will say everything. People can't recognize your efforts. People can't give value to your efforts. So keep going, keep motivating. That's the thing, man.
Absolutely, you can take the criticism in a positive way. It can be your driving force to achieve your further future endeavors in life. Absolutely. Moving on next to Shomita. Shomita, what would you say on this matter? You see, what Pralay said, that's very correct. He said that in the near future, he might lose his weight. And we know there are many people who do that. Especially women after pregnancy, they gain weight. And people don't spare even women. Women don't spare women. Can you even imagine? But it's a very normal thing that you will gain weight and then you can also lose it. It's not rocket science. If you want, you can just do it. Alright? I know that Nita Ambani was also a little bit on the heavier weight side, but now she's so slim. Her other son was also heavyweight, overweight, and he has also lost weight. I am not a particular fan of anybody. I'm not here to promote any company or brand or whatever it is. It's just purely and surely on this latest trend that happens nowadays, trolling anybody. Whatever you see is going wrong, or not wrong, maybe anything minus you see, anything negative, whatever. Even if you have a pimple, people they love to exaggerate that. You know, the media can make a circle near your pimple and then highlight and say, oh my god, this actor has a pimple and whatever. So this is rubbish. What would you say on this?
And
Let's see.
and also
Yes,
another
Pralay.
thing I would like to highlight one recent example, that is Bobby Deol's comeback in Animal movie. Nobody has ever thought that Bobby Deol will come back again in this form. The whole movie is about I think 2 hours, and Bobby Deol's part is 15 minutes. But in within that 15 minutes, Bobby Deol had done spectacular role, because everything can be achievable if you want to try.
Absolutely. If you want to try, anything is possible. Okay, Shomita.
We should not mock or laugh at anyone's color, height, weight, on anything. People actually don't understand. They are maintaining like for 14 years that world's richest person, that Ambani group. So they are not actually rich there. So they have no work. They are actually mocking people like that. If the family, the bride has no problem with his groom's weight, then we should not laugh at him. We have our own journey. We should focus on ourselves. Don't mock on someone's weight, height. I also feel like on the, like in that platform, he looks very cute actually, and the couple looks very cute. So
Yeah,
my
I think
perspective,
so.
yes, we should not like they are very rich. So and nowadays actually people take too much medicines.
Like health issues are there. We sometimes
So
we are judging a person on the exterior, but you never know there may be some health issues. We are taking
yes,
so many medicines and there
yes,
are side effects.
for this
Absolutely.
reason,
Yeah.
actually people gaining weight, and sometimes also people actually lose weight. For this reason also we should not mock someone. If the person is actually losing confidence for this health issue and others thing, and if someone is laughing, then the person's confidence will be totally broke.
Absolutely. So I think we should never troll somebody in this way, in an unnecessary trolling that's going on. Absolutely. Moving on, and I think I saw that entrance. I think we have all seen on social media. This is absolutely trending. So how the bride came up to the stage and she was very emotional, and then there was a song being played in the background, and when the moment she came up on the stage, there was the Radhe Krishna, Gopala Krishna that was being played, and then the couple hugged each other. I think the whole scene was so beautiful. Still people are giving these ugly remarks. I don't know how. Moving to Momita next.
Actually, ma'am, in this time, actually not in this time, like people are always criticize another person, always judge another person. They don't judge even like himself or herself. Like they don't judge, মানে নিজেকে তারা জাজ করে না, অন্যদেরকে করার জন্য এই করে সবসময়।
You said
And
absolutely correct. তুমি ঠিকই বলেছো. They don't judge themselves হবে. They don't judge themselves, but they love to judge others. Obviously nobody is perfect. The ones who are passing such comments, do they have a physique like Hrithik Roshan or Tiger Shroff? Excuse me. So yep.
ma'am, actually even when the like Ambani sons, like he's a animal lover, and they don't see that he's an animal lover and he has a pure heart. They actually criticize her. He's overweight. So that is very ridiculous for me actually. And that is ma'am.
Absolutely. So the main attention and the focus is going towards negativity, negative points. They love to collect and with a microscope looking for something negative so that they can enjoy a hot cup of tea over it. Okay. Moving to Mrs. Patra next. Let's see.
Some people's habit is to criticize in every point,
Every matter, every point. Yes, yes.
and for less weight, overweight, the color of body, white or black, and less hair, everything. And if one is thin, always how thin he is. If he is fat, how fat he is.
So, if someone is overweight, many diseases can attack the person, like sugar, thyroid, obesity, fatty liver. So
Yes. For thyroid, one can be thin and another can be fat. Two types of thyroid is. So
yes, yes.
it may be happened. And when Ambani's daughter, when Ambani's son is losing his weight, what is happening? He is trying, he is maintaining. I have to see in that he is trying. So why I will mock him? And nowadays, so many persons, so many celebrities whom we see in television or movies, they maintained how beautifully they are maintained. Some don't maintain. That's depend on him or her. So someone's habit is to mock, to criticize in every point.
Absolutely. So that's their habit. It's there in their DNA or whatever. So this is a very ugly practice of trying to pull people down and troll them. Moving to Shrija, what would you say on this matter?
Yes, I share the same thought that looks doesn't matter. Like we can see that he is so humble and so kind, but nobody is saying that. Everyone is saying that he is overweight and doesn't look good with his wife Radhika. But he is trying to normalize the situation. He don't have the the expectation so high, but every people is trying to down him for his overweight.
Put him down, put him down. Every person is trying to put him down. Not every person, many people are trying to put him down. Many people are giving positive remarks, like they are congratulating the couple, blessing the couple. That's also happening. But yeah, many are trolling. Okay.
Yeah, many people are trolling him for his overweight, but I think it's so annoying that a person's it's his wedding and it's a so special occasion in his life, and he can expect many good things, best things in his wedding, but many people is criticizing him, and that's so annoying that it's not his expectation. Where he wants some love, affection, he is getting hates and criticizing. So I think it's annoying and so ridiculous that people is not giving him the love he
He deserves, or anybody deserves on their special day. You gave a very good point that it's the wedding day where you expect people to just give you love and good wishes for your new journey, your new life. It's a very auspicious, pure occasion. And on such occasion, when you get such horrible comments and negativity, that's really not expected or not called for. So very good. Yes, this is basic manners, that on at least somebody's wedding you should not say such things. Very good. So I think we all agree on this point that we should not troll or body shame anybody. I must also highlight before we end this topic that he has managed to lose many kilos. If you compare his engagement pictures and the pre-wedding festivities, he has managed to lose a lot of kgs. Losing even 1 kg is quite tough, but he has managed to lose many kgs. So we should appreciate, motivate, and encourage each other in this journey of life and fitness and happiness. On this note, let's wrap it up. Okay, class, thank you.